Hi all, welcome to my challenge Java Soul. Today we will see how to move all zeros to the end of array and maintain the ascending order of non-zero elements. If you're new on my channels, please subscribe my channel. I have already created multiple programming interview questions video. I will provide a link in the description. So as you can see here, I have taken one array. Okay, and we want an output should be like this 1 5 8 9, like non-zero elements should be in a ascending order, and at the end all zeros should come at the end. Okay, let me create one method, private static, and will returns an integer in array of type int get moved zeros to n. First thing is we will convert this array into the stream, and then we'll get only non-zero elements. Arrays.stream will pass array, then we will filter only non-zero elements. Then we will sort this and we'll call toArray function. We'll convert this stream into an array. Non-zero element array. Now we will get the count of zeroth in the array. Again, we'll convert this array into an stream. We'll call filter and we'll get only zeroth elements. I equals to 0, and then we'll call a count function. Okay, now we need to concat these non-zero elements and zeroth elements. So we'll call empty stream dot dot concat. We will pass for the array arrays.stream. We'll pass this array to stream to get the stream from this array. Arrays.stream will create array of type int, and will convert long to an int. Then we'll call toArray function to convert this stream into an array, and we'll call, okay, we'll use return keyword here. Now we will call this function from main method, which is out arrays.toString. We will pass this array. Let's execute this program. So as you can see here, we are getting first set in ascending order 1 5 8 9 as expected. 1589. Okay, and in last we are getting all the zeros. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.